These matcha and cream looking switches are the Moyu Green Snake Linears. These JWK manufactured switches come in 5-pin with a top housing made of PC, a bottom housing of nylon, and a palm stem. It comes with a 65-gram single extended gold-plated spring, making it a not-so-light spring to type on. Not entirely too heavy, but just about perfect if you're looking for a linear switch that has give to it. Price-wise, these will cost you about $5 to $6 on some vendors, and if you're in the Philippines, you can get them over on Squishy Types for 210 pesos for 10 pieces. Here I have them on my Artifact 60, rocking an alu plate with GMK earth tones. Comparing them both lubed in stock gave me a long and hard time of distinguishing the difference between the two. So you can rock this factory lubed if you choose to save you the extra effort of going through them one by one. Sound-wise, they sound bright for what feels like a full travel switch, and according to this diagram, it indicates that it has a single pole contact with a pre-travel of 4mm. Just like the NK creams because they sound and feel like one. But to compare its acoustics with Zaku's and higher pitched switches like Bison BCPs or Gateron CMs, they won't be on par with the same level of clack, but as you've heard during the sound test, they definitely can. It's definitely a good pickup for its price, and personally, I'd rock this on this Artifact 60 by Desk Daily. Leave a comment if you have any questions, or a like if you liked the video, subscribe even. I'll leave you with the rest of the sound test that we did over on stream, but until then, that's gonna be me. There we go. So that's the sound test I'm gonna be uploading. BCP spacebar would slap really nice. Would slap better if I may say so. Siguro. That's what I'm gonna go for. So that my config will be a BCP spacebar. Yeah. That's all done.